Hello my Vibrant Beauties, I'm your girl Lette. Welcome if you are new, welcome back to all of my other Vibrant Beauties. And today I'm going to be showing you how I got these butterfly distressed faux locks using Water Wave FreeTress Hair. And I must say, I like them. They took a long time to do. I did not expect that because I've done faux locks in the past and they didn't take as long as these did. But if you like really distressed faux locks, kind of like short bobby type going on, then stay tuned. I will show you how I got these. I did follow Candace Jones and I believe her name is Sunny. I'm going to link both videos down below because I saw Sunny's first. Her name's Tia, I believe, but she goes by Sunny something on YouTube. I follow her and I saw hers first and I'm like, oh, hers is so beautiful because she has this nice bright red hair that fits her face perfectly. And then I saw Candace Jones do it as well and I'm like, let me try this out. I do have some passion twists or some FreeTress hair in the back somewhere, so let me just go ahead and do that. And I did, and I am not mad at it. You don't see it? Yes. Like I said, if you want to see how I got this look or this hair, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and see you soon.
Hi you guys, we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm starting off by parting my hair. Don't judge me because my parts are a little crazy, crooked. Hey, I'm doing this by myself. And then we're going to hop into the braiding portion of it, or plaiting portion of this tutorial. Well, it's not really a tutorial, it's just showing you how I got these based off of other people's videos, if you catch my drift. And what I'm using to moisturize and keep them moisturized while they're in this protective style is the TGIN Daily Moisturizing Cream and also the Edge Control from EBIN or EBIN. This is the 24 hour extra hold. I love to put these on my edges and on around the parts as well. With the daily moisturizer, I like to comb this through and then put on the edge control. because I was tired, you guys, and it was getting late, I decided to put my plaits in and then go to sleep. So next I am taking those plaits that I did the night before, and this is where we're going to start on these DIY butterfly locks with the distress look. So I'm going to take my crochet needle and push it through the base of the plait, grab 1.5 pieces of the FreeTress Water Wave hair, pull that through one side through. I'm not going to loop it, I'm not going to tie it, I'm just going to pull one side through so it looks like I'm about to create a braid. And then I just go ahead and hold one side down with my plaited hair and then continue to wrap around. And because this kind of looks a little crazy because the angle of the camera, I decided to show you on the last 2 braids or 2 faux locks. This way you can get a better feel of what I am doing. And I just wrap it around, and then I get to towards the end of the braid or in the middle, and I start to loosely wrap it around, and this is going to give that distressed look. And then towards the end, what I'm going to do is loop it around my finger and then start to wrap it back upwards, and this is going to create like the bob look. And for all my long haired ladies, because I know a lot of long hair individuals will like to try this, it's simple. It's just you're going to have to go down a little further than shoulder length. all in all, I had a total of 37 plaits, which equated to 4 packs of hair. That's 2 of the 4, and then 1 of the TP4 30 and 1 of the TP. I'll put that in the description box. But I only used 4 packs of hair because I used 1.5 pieces of hair for each faux lock.
This is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you all think. Yeah, I'm loving this.